Google is stuffing Gemini AI into so many of their apps and services. Take Google Photos, for example. A recent update replaced the traditional search tab for this Ask Photos feature, where they expect you to use natural language to find what you're looking for. But thankfully, Google has added a way to disable this feature entirely, and it will actually bring back the old regular search feature that most of us are familiar with. To find this toggle, we first need to tap on the profile picture in the top right corner. We then want to tap into the settings menu for the Google Photos app. And from here, we're going to tap into the preferences section and begin looking for the Gemini Features in Photos option. It'll probably be buried somewhere toward the bottom since Google actively wants you to keep this feature on. And if you wanted to, you could turn off Gemini entirely from here. Just make sure that you read through this and that you're okay with this data being deleted. It isn't going to delete your images or your videos, but it will delete Gemini-related data from the app. However, if all you want to do is revert that search feature back to the traditional way, then you'll just want to toggle the Ask Photos feature off from here. It keeps all of that other Gemini data intact, and it's only going to revert that search tab back to what you're used to. So once it's disabled, back out of the settings menu and look at the bottom row of tabs. You will no longer see that Ask Photos tab because it has instantly swapped back to the regular old search icon. And searching works just like it used to, which for me has always been good enough. I haven't found the need to involve Gemini here.